What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw Shin Godzilla. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a curve for the top edge of the muzzle. We're going to start on the left side. Let's go up, round this out, and then come down towards the right. Now in the center we're going to split the brow with a straight line going up. Let's move over towards the left side and draw the brow. Bend this out and up. And just curve that out towards the edge of the brow. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I want to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. Starting on the top, we're going to step in, curve this around, and then in towards the side of the muzzle. And do the same thing on the right. Let's add a fold on the outside with a curve. Let's draw the inside edge of the eye, going all the way around, and then in towards the bottom. And then on the inside, we're going to draw the nostrils with a curve coming in and then down. Now from here, we're going to move down in the center and draw the top edge of the mouth with a curve going up and then down. Let's round up the end and just bend that up towards the side. Let's add a fold, stepping down, going out, and then up. Now we're going to open up the jaw, starting on the left side, then it's in and then down. And then we'll round out the bottom with a curve. Let's add two large fangs across the top, starting on the left, bend this down and in, and back up. And we'll fill the inside with 4 smaller teeth. Let's add 2 curved fangs along the side across the bottom. And we'll draw 2 more on the inside. Now from here, we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head, starting with the jaw. Starting on the left side, bend this around the mouth, and then in towards the side. From here, bend this in and then down towards the chin. And then we'll round out the bottom. Now we're going to go back to the side, step down, bump up the side of the head, going in. Now add some thickness to the brow, going up toward the top, round out the brow, and just bend that in. Let's close off the top of the head. Starting on top of the brow, bend this up and in towards the center. Round this out, and then come down towards the right. Now, let's move down and draw the left arm on top of the body. We're going to start underneath the jaw on the left, bend this down, and then out. Round up the arm, pull that in towards the first claw. Let's add that first claw. We're going to bend this down, go up, and then in. Now I'm going to layer 2 more claws in behind. So starting along the side, add the second claw, and then the third claw, we're going to come down. I'm going to blend this into the arm, going up and then across towards the elbow. Let's separate the tip of each claw with a curve. Now we want to leave a gap underneath the elbow, draw the hind leg. We're going to come down and bend that in. Now I'm going to move over towards the inside, draw the front of the thigh, going in, across, and then out. Let's go back to the left side, just underneath the leg, draw the heel, going out and then down. Now I'm going to work our way across the bottom of the foot, going in, bend that down towards the first claw, bend this up, and then round out the claw. Now I want to add 2 more claws, working our way towards the right. So starting from the side, going out and down, go up towards the top, and back down. Let's do that one more time. Let's go to the top of the inside claw, bend the foot, going up and in. Let's go back up underneath the elbow and draw the tail. We're going to start by going down, round up the tail, go up, and then in. Let's bend this back out towards the tip. Let's round up the end of the tail. I'm just going to taper this so it gets wider as you come all the way down towards the bottom. You want to bend this in towards the side of the leg. Now let's move over towards the right side. Just underneath the jaw, start by bending this in and then down. Round out the chest and then bend that in. Let's go up underneath, draw the belly. Coming down, round out the belly, and go out in behind the leg. Now I'm going to line up the top of the thigh over on the right, going out, down, and then in. Let's go up underneath the body, draw the heel, coming down, and draw the inside edge of the leg, going across, and then down towards the first claw, go up, and then bend that back down. Let's layer 2 more claws in behind, starting from the side, add that second claw, and then we'll do that again. From the top of the outside claw, bend the foot, going up and in underneath the thigh. Now we're going to draw that right arm in behind the body. Let's start from the top of the neck, bend this down and out. Now we're going to draw the thumb on top. So we're just going to bend this down, go up and in. On the side of the thumb, let's draw the first claw, going out and then down. Bend that in behind. Let's add a second claw, coming down and then in. Let's add one more, coming down and in, up towards the palm. Then we want to round out the palm, coming in and then up, step down, draw the bottom of the arm going in behind the body. Let's go back and separate the claws, starting with the thumb. Now that we have the shape of the body complete, let's go back and add those spines across the back. We start with the one in the center of the head, going up, bend that back down. Let's add those spines coming down the side on the left, starting underneath the jaw, go up, just gonna add a point, add a longer point coming down, and one smaller one. Now we're gonna continue coming down the side. We'll go a little bit smaller as you come down towards the bottom. Now along this section of the tail, we're going to add these small bumps. Adding a rounded point on the end. We're going to stop right about here. And we're going to separate the end of the tail with a curve. Now we're going to go back and add some openings across the body. Let's start from the side of the temple, and bend this in and then back out. Let's add one across the bottom of the mouth, coming down. And then across the forearms, down and up. And then along the bottom, we're going to go up and then down. Let's do the same thing across the right arm. Let's add some across the inside, going up and out across the top. Now along the right side profile edge of the body, you want to come down and then in. Just adding these points. And I want to take that and mirror it over on the left side in behind the hand. So we're just going to line this up. And we can go in between the fingers. And it'll come up along the bottom. Now we want to add some more across the legs. And the outside. Now we're going to add some sections across the tail. Let's start from the back and add a curve, going all the way across from top to bottom. Now we're going to work our way out. Adding these sections across the tail. Going up toward the top. And then we're also going to separate the base of these spines with a wiggly line. Add a crack going across. and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Shin Godzilla. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.